Here's how Elon is finally unlocking Tesla's true potential. And Carvana just rose from the dead. Here's the top 10 stories in business this week. Carvana crashes back down to earth. The online car retailer experienced a 56% surge in stock prices on news that it expected to post $50 million in adjusted EBITDA this quarter. However, today their stock prices fell back to $19.07, erasing much of their gains. This was due to concerns over debt and declining revenue, as well as analysts' cool response to the profit predictions. Reddit won't budge on the API changes that are shutting down apps like Apollo. Reddit CEO Steve Huffman hosted an AMA to discuss the platform's controversial API changes, which are leading to multiple developers shutting down their apps. Huffman said that Reddit needs to be self-sustaining and can no longer subsidize third parties that require large-scale data use. He did not deny or confirm claims that Apollo developer Christian Selig had threatened Reddit in exchange for $10 million. Reddit won't be budging on the API changes, so developers will need to adjust or... Google's Bard AI can now write and execute code to answer a question. In a groundbreaking development, Google's Bard AI has achieved the incredible feat of writing and executing code autonomously to answer questions. This cutting-edge technology promises to revolutionize the tech industry, as Bard AI's ability to understand and respond to queries with actual code could lead to innovative solutions and smarter automation. Experts are keeping an eye on what Google does next with this game-changing tool. Netflix signups jump as password crackdown kicks off. Netflix has implemented a new password-sharing crackdown, which has resulted in an increase in signups. The policy charges an additional fee of $8 per month for users to add members outside their home. It appears that this strategy is paying off for the streaming giant, with shares rising 2.3%. Netflix is looking for new ways to monetize in a saturated market. Tesla is about to pull the plug on its main EV charging rival. In the electric vehicle charging standards war, Ford and General Motors have both adopted Tesla's proprietary North American charging standard, NACS port. This shift of the three major automakers in the US, who represent nearly 3/4 of the EV market, could mean that the combined charging system, CCS, may be phasing out. This is reminiscent of the media format war from the 2000s between Sony's Blu-ray and Toshiba's HD DVD. The current stock market rally signaling end of times. The stock market has been rallying and valuations have risen, but this could be a sign that the party is ending. JP Morgan Chase analysts warn that investors could face losses of up to 20% if they have misjudged the economy's path. Markets may have to adjust to take account of various signals from stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. It's important to stay informed about the markets and invest with caution. Tesla may just be starting to unlock its true potential. Tesla is taking strides to unlock its potential by opening up its Supercharger network in 2024, which will allow Ford and GM customers access to the expansive network. It's also open to licensing its software and powertrains and providing batteries. This could be a great business opportunity for Tesla, as it could make profits by selling access to its technology and infrastructure. Better.com lays off real estate team and shutters business unit. Digital mortgage lender. Better.com has made the decision to lay off their real estate team and shutter the business unit. This comes amidst a slowing housing market due to rising mortgage interest rates, and those affected by the move reportedly received little to no severance. It is not yet known how many people were affected. Goldman Sachs. Fully orthodox policymaker could raise Turkey rates to 40%. Goldman Sachs is predicting that a fully orthodox policymaker in Turkey could raise interest rates to 40%. This policy shift would bring stability to Turkey's economy, as it would allow the exchange rate to adjust upfront and anchor interest rates in the economy. Once the exchange rate and inflation expectations stabilize, Goldman Sachs anticipates that the policymaker may lower the rates. Shell pivots back to oil to win over investors. Shell is pivoting back to oil to win over investors, with CEO Wael Sawan announcing that the company will keep oil output steady or slightly higher into 2030. Sawan will also update investors at an event next week on Shell's plans to reach net zero emissions by 2050 and boost shareholder payouts. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.